Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the expression 5 to the power of log base 25 of 6. So to solve this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a simple property of logarithms that states that if I have something in the form log base a of b, this is equal to ln of b over ln of a. So in this case, I have log base 25 of 6. And this is the same thing as ln of 6 over ln of 25, which is the same thing as ln of 6 over ln of 5 squared. Now another property of logarithms is if I have something in the form ln a to the power b, this is equal to b times ln a. So this is the same thing now as ln 6 over 2 times ln 5. Which I'm actually going to rewrite this as 1 over 2 times ln 5 times ln 6. So now going back, I have 5 to the power of 1 over 2 times ln 5 times ln 6. Now, if I have something in the form e to the power of ln of x, this is just equal to x because the e and the ln cancel out. E times ln is 1, and I can just move the x to the front. So what I'm going to do is if I have something in the form e to the ln 5, this means that this is equal to 5. So I'm going to rewrite 5 here as e to the power of ln 5. So now I have e to the power of ln 5 to the power of 1 over 2 times ln 5 to the power of ln 6. Now these two cancel out, and the e and the ln cancel out. So I'm left with 6 to the power of 1/2. And 6 to the power of 1/2 is, this is going to be the same thing as the square root of 6. So the square root of 6 is my solution to this expression. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends or family and see if they can solve this. Bye. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 2 to the power of 24 minus 1. So, for my solution, what I'm first going to do is rewrite this as 2 to the power of 12 times 2 minus 1. So all I did was I rewrote 24 as 12 times 2. And now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 12 times 2, I can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 12 to the power of 2. And now 1, I'm going to rewrite that as 1 squared. So now I have 2 to the power of 12 to the power of 2 minus 1 squared. And now I can use the property that states that if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, a is 2 to the power of 12 and b is 1. So I get 2 to the power of 12 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 12 minus 1. Now from here, we need to find the value of 2 to the power of 12. Well, 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. So this means that 2 to the power of 11 is equal to double of 1024, which is 2048. And 2 to the power of 12 is equal to double of 2048, which is 4096. So now I have 4,096 plus 1 times 4,096 minus 1. 4,096 plus 1 is 4,097, and 4,096 minus 1 is 4,095. Now, how would I solve this? Well, what most people would do is try to solve this by using the basic multiplication method, but this takes way too long. So a better way to solve this is actually to rewrite this as 4,000 plus 97 times 4,000 plus 95. Now, because 4,000 has so many zeros in it, it's much easier to solve this problem. So I'm going to be solving this problem by distributing. Or what I can also do, which is an easier method, is to rewrite 4,097 as 4,100 minus 3 times 4,100 minus 5. And this is also another way to rewrite this time subtraction instead of addition. But now notice how we have 3 times 5, which is much easier to solve than 97 times 95. So now I'm going to distribute my 4,100. So I get 4,100 squared minus 5 times 4,100. And then now I have minus 3 times 4,100 minus 3 times negative 5. So now 4,100 squared is equal to 41 squared plus 4 zeros. 41 squared is 1,681, so I'm just going to add 4 zeros to the end there. And then minus 5 times 4,100, I can just say this is 5 times 41, which is 205, and then add 2 zeros. Minus 3 times 4,100, which is 123, and I can add 2 zeros. Minus 3 times negative 5, which is positive 15. So now from here, I get 16,810,000 minus 20,500 minus 12,300, which is equal to negative 32,800 plus 15. Now, a negative number plus a positive number is the same thing as 32,800 minus 15, which is 32,785. So now I have 16,810,000 minus 32,785, and this is equal to, I'm actually going to write this like this. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 10 minus 3 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, and I have 6 and 1. So 16,787,125 is my final answer to this problem.